Hi, I am Nancy Best, and I am here at 913 SouthRidge to show you one of the most unique properties available in Salado, Texas right now. This home has over 5,600 square feet on 3 levels, and in addition, we've got a cottage and an almost 1,000 square foot workshop. You're going to want to stay with me till the end. I am in love with this great room. This home was built originally for entertainment, and so the acoustics, the beamed ceilings, it's got hand-scraped wood flooring. It's just amazing. On this main level, you've got the great room, a grand kitchen, and the primary suite. So this grand kitchen was also designed for entertainment. You've got quartz counters, a marble large island, and then a beautiful buffet with some butcher block top. There are 2 dishwashers, 2 sinks, 2 refrigerators, and 2 ovens, and also a gas stove. Now in this kitchen as well, you've got a beautiful picture window. Everywhere in this home is designed to bring out the beauty of this lot and these outdoors into the home. The large primary bedroom has plantation shutters. It's got custom lighting with a custom fan, and then of course a beautiful primary bathroom suite, which includes custom shelving in the closet. From the second level, we've got this beautiful balcony that overlooks the great room. You can see these beautiful beamed ceilings, and also 2 full bedrooms with ensuite baths. This gorgeous 3rd level balcony is amazing. It is just nestled in the trees. It's like being in a tree house. And now we're going to head down to the basement in the lower level. This lower level has a full bar, kitchen, wine cellar, full bedroom and bathroom, the laundry area, and also a full living area with a fireplace. And just like any good basement, you've got the laundry room, but this laundry room also has some amazing additional storage. And the best part, of course, is that this game room opens to a gorgeous pool and patio and views of wildlife and the golf course. This lot is simply beautiful, and the fact that this home was built with 3 separate balconies so that all those views could be enjoyed is amazing. And now if you'll just stay with me, we're going to see the cabin and the workshop. One of the newer additions to this property is this custom workshop, and it is accessible just off the kitchen. So the workshop has almost 1,000 square feet. It's got custom lighting, it's got 2 mini splits, and power throughout. There's also tons of natural light coming through the windows. So even in the workshop, you can enjoy the outdoors of this lot. There's additional storage space, a full sink, and access to the golf cart garage. If you have made it with me this far, thank you so much for watching. But we have one more thing to see and you're not going to want to miss it. It's the guest cottage. All right, let's take a look at this guest cottage. Thank you so much for watching the tour of this beautiful property. If you'd like to see this property and make an appointment, just call the number on the next screen and we would be happy to meet you here.